What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Shun, and today...
Oh, who loves the flow of this? Sure. The emotion, the power, then it just explodes. Okay.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Shun, and today we're going to be reacting to Girls' Generation with My Oh My and Beep Beep. So guys, we are back with some more Girls' Generation, getting into My Oh My and Beep Beep, the two next Japanese music videos in the list. I believe, now, for some reason, I haven't actually added these to my list, the actual links to the videos, but I believe when I looked the videos up, one of them does not have like an official video. I think it's My Oh My. Let me actually quickly check it out, because I believe My Oh My does have like it has like a full music video. Okay, I guess it wasn't My Oh My. Maybe it's Beep Beep then, because My Oh My does have an actual music video on the SM Town channel. But Beep Beep, yeah, it is Beep Beep. It has like there's an official audio, and then there's a short version music video on Universal Music Japan. And that's kind of it. Then there is this unofficial channel. It's called SM Town Girl Group's video that has a full version of Beep Beep. That's what we'll be watching in terms of Beep Beep music video, because that is, well, it's actually longer than the official audio, but my guess would be that is the full length of the song. If I'm completely mistaken, let me know down in the comments. For now, though, we'll be checking out the first one, My Oh My. So we're sitting at a cafe. They're coming in to look at someone who's sitting. Okay, I guess we'll see. Alright. They're all gossiping about one of the... Ooh. Gorgeous vocals from the get-go, like that. Okay. Kind of a cool watch, seeing them all kind of get closer. Ooh. Okay. It's a little bit akin to like a mix of Lionheart and Dancing Queen. That was what it was called, right? Dancing Queen. Lovely vocals. Hey. Okay. What are we doing in this hat? Nice. Rabbit. Oh, bunny. Rabbit. Same thing. Man, they're vocals here. Okay. Turn to 3. Oh! Oh, that's... Tivity's My Oh My is the best one. God damn. Yeah, you messed up, boy. Oh! Oh, and a little background vocal going there. Okay, that was a bit manic. These three vocals just damn. Those vocals just going on top of each other, layering over each other, ad-libbing to each other. Goddamn, that was good. That was Girls' Generation's My Oh My music video. The actual storyline in the music video reminds me a lot of Lionheart, and it kind of does feel like a little bit more of a puppy version of Lionheart. As I said, a little bit like the middle ground between what it was called Dancing Queen, the Girls' Generation version, right? I think it was called Dancing Queen, and then Lionheart. It feels like kind of the middle ground of those two songs in terms of actual sound and stuff, which I really like. It feels like it really feels like they're taking these two great songs and creating like a combined song of the two, even getting a little bit of the concept into it, and it sounded incredible. Like so many gorgeous vocals, a really catchy chorus with just honestly just simply the my oh my oh my oh my is super catchy. It's something I could see myself just be randomly singing on the street as I'm walking around, just because of how catchy it damn is. Goddamn, that was a really good way to start this video off. But we've got one more to check out. Let's get right into Beep Beep. Shimo. Hello? 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 여보세요. Okay.
Hello?
Okay.
Damn. Pick up the phone, yeah?
Let's see what this concept's gonna be. It sounds a little, might be a little happy-go-lucky, cutesy. Alright. Really nice vocals from Sunny from the get-go. Alright. I'm really intrigued to see where this kind of goes. Let's see. Okay, that's catchy. Okay, that's catchy. Mushy chow chow. Oh, baby. Okay. Oh, I love the music video here. That editing was really nice. I really like the music video, how everything's put together with these small editing parts. Like that. Call me out. Just add it on to these gorgeous, powerful vocals. Mushy. Baby. Oh, crazy or busy? Hello, mushy, chow, baby. I got beep. Love is beeping. Beep. I mean, listen to those ad-libs. Mushy, chow. Busy. Okay, so first time it's busy, then it's baby. Mushy, chow, baby. I mean, listen to that little tiny layered. Wow. Nice. Okay, that was Ghostrifter's beat. anything here at the end? No. Okay, just a little blooper. Oh, I'm almost thought that was the middle finger, but it isn't. Let me say, Ghostrifter's Beep Beep. That is such a dope song. I love how, well, we kind of going down back into this little bit more cutesy vibe, which we got a lot of in the in kind of the early Ghost Generation music. Not really counting what's it called, Into the New World, but with G and stuff. We got some very cutesy songs. That's kind of what we're getting into again here with this very kind of happy-go-lucky sounding music here from Ghost Generations. But it's really nice. I love how despite how like young and cutesy it feels, it also feels like a pretty mature song, which is a weird thing to say because yeah, the instrumentals and the concept is supposed to be this cutesy thing, but the way that they're singing and everything like is actually really, it feels very mature. All the layering, all of these ad-libs and stuff, which I really like. It feels like a perfect middle ground between the two. It's funny how I also talked about middle ground in the previous music video, but this was dope. I really like this a lot, and it's got some really catchy parts, especially the hello, mushy, mushy, chow, chow, busy. That's gotta be stuck on my mind till forever. Yeah, guys, that was Ghost Generation's My Oh My and Beep Beep. Two very different songs in, well, in the way that they sound. I guess the concept could be similar. No, Beep Beep is more so, why aren't you picking up your phone, while My Oh My was kind of confronting a cheater. But I feel like they could actually work pretty well in tangent, despite Beep Beep actually sounding really happy and stuff. Beep Beep could very well be the thing, you know, yeah, I'm calling this person, they're not picking up. Let me check out where they were supposed to be, and you find out, well, they're not at work, they're out on a date with someone else, and that turns into My Oh My. But I love both of these songs. I love the like, as I already said, the middle ground between Lionheart and Dancing Queen in My Oh My is so damn good. And then of course Beep Beep, going back to the roots, going back to this happy-go-lucky, going back to this cutesy kind of stuff from Ghost Generation. While I feel like they still are not going into completely childish mode, they are still kind of staying within the current kind of color that Ghost Generation had, I guess, at around this point. And I like that a lot. I really think they did Beep Beep very well. But let me know what you guys thought about Ghost Generation's My Oh My and Beep Beep down in the comments below, and I guess I'll see you guys next time.